What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at a 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali that we just got done lifting. If you guys are looking to get your Sierra lifted and adding some new wheels and tires to it, you should take a look at what we did with this package so you can get some inspiration. First off, the lift kit on this one is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit, which is going to help us raise up this truck a lot and fit this bigger wheel and tire package. So when you get a lift kit from rough country, we have 3 different options to choose from. You have your strut spacer, which is what we went with. This one's a brand new truck, so there's no reason to go ahead and replace the factory strut. So we just go ahead and add that spacer on top. You do have the option to go with the extended strut, which is going to completely replace that factory strut and kind of give you some of that ride quality back if that is something you are looking for. The third option is going to be the Vertex coilovers shocks, which is going to give you the best ride quality overall and going to be the most expensive option. Down here we have the 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is going to be Fury's hybrid tire. So it's a step down from the mud terrain. It's going to give you the aggressive sidewall, and that's still pretty thick and aggressive tread, but it's going to give you some of the on-road capabilities as well as like a quieter ride and a longer tread life. You do have other options for hybrid tires, including this Fury RT, which is going to be the Native Ridge Grappler, as well as the Toyota Open Country AT3. Down here we have the 22x12 TIS 544 in the gloss black and machine face finish. And this one's going to be a very popular wheel right now, and this one, and there's going to be a couple different options for this if you are looking for a different finish. This one's going to have, like this one is going to be the gloss black machine face. We also have the gloss black and milled as well, which is another very good look and very popular choice as well. This one's going to have that deep dish look as well as the directional style to it, and then it's also going to have something pretty unique, which is going to be TIS off-road etched into the lip of the wheel, and that's actually a pretty big feature on this wheel. Some people hate it, some people love it, but that is one that really does make this wheel stand out. This one features that deep dish look, so it's going to have about a 4.5-inch lip on this wheel, which is also in turn going to push that wheel and tire package out a couple inches, giving it a nice wider stance. The last thing I'm going to mention is that this one does feature the open lug, so you can run the spike lug nuts on this wheel if you choose to do so. The last thing is there are multiple sizes of this wheel, so from I'm pretty sure a 20x9 all the way up to a 26x14, but make sure you check out below to make sure you get those details for this wheel. So overall, this is a really good looking wheel and tire package for this truck. I like how this wheel kind of features some of the matching components of this truck. So if you guys like it and want to get this done to your vehicle, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. But make sure you check out our 0% financing option so you can go ahead and get your truck lifted now and pay later.